careful in Monroe. We went to Millennium today. Laura got some PokeMons. We'll be doing an opening later. I got some footage of inside. It's pretty cool. You guys got to check it out. It's my favorite game store. All right, let's get rolling.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I decided to get some Pokemon cards. I haven't bought any in a while, so I kind of just want to check them out. I also am going for 2 complete sets. I want to get complete Scarlet and Violet base set and complete Obsidian Flames. So Millennium Games, which is the store we went to, had a bunch of singles that I needed, so I'll just quickly go through those. First, we got Iron Treads Alternate, Golden Koraidon, Drowsy Illustration Rare, Graveyard Illustration Rare, Mabosstiffex Illustration Rare, Dolliv Illustration Rare, Floss Illustration Rare, Fluffhead Illustration Rare, and Pidgeotto Illustration Rare. Oh, and Vroom Illustration Rare. And then we have Full Art Vespertiniax, and I needed Charizard for a deck. Those are the singles. Now let's get into this box. This box is $21.99 in my game store. That's right around what like it should be. You get 4 packs and the promo card, which is Mabosstiffex. I don't know what packs come in this box, so let's find out. Just gotta open it up. 1 second. Okay. Promo card. Pause if you want to read what it does. Then you have the master for base. Then here's the code card. You can get this card in TCG Online, Pokemon TCG Online. And then we also get a jumbo card, which is always cool. I love these. They have been putting these in boxes since I was a kid. Okay, let's see what sets are coming up. We got 2 Paradox Rift, a Scarlet and Violet base set, and an Obsidian Flame. So let's get cracking in these packs. I'm gonna save the Paradox Rift for last because I haven't opened much of it, so I kind of want to savor it. Then we'll do Scarlet and Violet, then Obsidian Flame. Okay, we got Water Energy, Pomo, Toad School, Rotom, Chansey, Defiance Band, Riftboom, Nestball, got a Reverse Rotom, Reverse Fuecoco, and a full art Oinkalone EX. That's awesome. We got our first pack of the box. We got a full art. Great, let me grab a sleeve for the card. Put them right there. So we got Obsidian Flames next. The only thing you really want out of this set is Pidgeot EX or Charizard. Pidgeotto. Or Pidgeotto, whatever it's called. Fighting Energy, Toad School, Houndour, Tadbulb, Steenie, Flamingo, Bronzong, Beartick. We got a Reverse Spoink, Reverse King Gambit, and then just a regular hollow clay doll. Oh, by the way, here you guys can have these code cards. That's Scarlet and Violet. That's for Obsidian Flame. Okay, onto the Paradox Rift. They're both the same artwork, so hope I can get something out of here. I'm gonna keep these code cards. Lightning Energy, Minum, Snorunt, Knucklestack, Flustle. Oh, we got Minum and Flustle. That's awesome. Ooh, Medical Energy, Steenie, Gliscor, Reverse Tandemaus, Reversed Mineshaw, and a Hollow Zacian. Cool. Okay. Last pack.
You already doing it.
You're taking too long.
Oh.
You got a Dark Energy, Weevil, Whismer, Doublade, Surskit, Simisu, Crobat, Bork, Reverse Zoltic. Ooh, I love that artwork. Reverse Jirachi, and Altaria EX. So awesome. 2 hits out of the 4 packs. That's pretty good. We got 1 full art and 1 regular rare. Great. Okay, that's pretty good hit rate for the box. 2 out of 4. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and see you later. Bye.